It is me. It is me. Ooh. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for coming. I'm here to talk to you guys today about this UNICE wig. I love UNICE. I've been buying them for about 2 years now. I only trust them, to be very honest. They're my favorite like human hair vendor brand. I only trust them. I've tried other vendors. When I say tried other vendors, I haven't really tried a lot. I've only tried Supernova. I didn't really like them like that. But UNICE has my trust, and I want to share that with you guys today. I want to tell you guys about them. If you have not already, subscribe to my channel. You might as well. You're already here. It takes 2 seconds. Boom. You're gonna love me. Like, we're gonna talk about hair. Be a part of the glam squad. Why not? I originally started buying UNICE as bundles in frontals. And then I would like make my own wigs, and that's how I kind of just been getting into it. I did my research before I purchased UNICE. I would go on YouTube, and a lot of people, you know, had a lot of good things to say about them. I buy my wigs and my hair from the UNICE on Amazon, only because like I like my shipping to come really fast. I like 2-day shipping. I can't wait for AliExpress a whole month for my damn hair to come. I need my stuff like tomorrow. Let's unbox this. This is how the box came. This is actually, oh, I meant to tell you, this is the Bet You series. UNICE has like 4 different series. So that's the box, the Bet You series. So let's open this up. So it opens up like this. And this is the wig. Gave me lashes. Ooh, UNICE got their own lashes. Check them out. Okay. I love it. Innovation. They gave me a little tag for the hair care tips on how to care for the hair. Gave me a black stocking cap. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Thank you. Something. I prefer tan, but hey girl, beggars can't be choosers. Whatever. And then they gave me a nice little card. Says you can search UNICE hair on Amazon. So this is another hair care card, and it tells us how to properly like wash it and care for it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the stocking cap off. Pull that bad boy off. Just put it to the side real quick. Comes with this little piece of wax paper that kind of holds it in place. And this is the hair. I have a brush, so I'm just gonna brush this out just so you guys can see it. And it doesn't smell weird. It actually smells really nice. The hair is really soft. They said it's human hair. I'm just gonna say that it is. I haven't had any problems with bleaching, straightening, or flat ironing the hair. But this is what it looks like. It's nice and soft and human-like. It's not very fake or plasticky. Smells so good. So this is what the hair looks like that. Their frontals are bomb too. I can't complain about their frontals. They do not come pre-plucked. So you're gonna have to pluck these Johns on your own time. Either pluck them yourself or pay somebody to pluck them. You do have to bleach the knots. Just try to get that, you know, authentic look. But yeah, other than that, this is the hair. Like, I can't even be mad at it. I'm going to put this on for you guys. Even though I haven't cut the lace off or customized, I'm just going to put it on and let you guys see where it comes down to in length. It's about 18 inches. But yeah, I'm going to put it on. Okay, so all I did was just brush my own hair back. That's all I did. And I put this on. And it's a pretty decent frontal. I have a small head, forgive me. I'm like trying to pull this and then I'm pulling my own hair at the same time. It's not very fun. Yeah, but this looks nice. Like, you know what I mean? Once you customize it and you get it to do what you want it to do, like, this is a bopping wig. Look at it. Looks like it already came as a middle part. I mean, a side part real quick. I'm just gonna brush it so you guys can see. This is supposed to be straight, so it's not a body wig. Body wave wig, by the way. It's supposed to be straight. Just has like a little natural wave to it, but when you flat iron it, it's gonna be crystal. Yeah, this is popping. You feel me? I'm just gonna turn around and let you guys see. Okay. The wig was honestly no more than like $150. That's one thing I like about their wig. I appreciate that the UNICE brand is all about quality without busting your pockets. However, there is a couple other luxury brands that is a part of UNICE. I call them like sub brands. That is a little bit more money, but I guess it's supposed to be like the highest quality in their brand or whatever the case is. I don't mind. I've done the Bet You series, and what was another series? They have Bet You, they have 4. I've done Bet You many of times. I have curly wigs in this series, and I've done, like, I believe, like, just a regular one. They have, like, just a regular brand. I haven't had any problems. Like I said, they are on Amazon. There's not a lot of options to choose from. Like, there's not a lot of 613 hair. There's not, like, as many options as you would find on the actual UNICE site themselves. But Amazon is a great place to start. If you are a prime girl, prime guy, whoever you are, try it. They're really not that bad. It's the same here. You just get the shipping from Amazon. You get a lot faster. You get it tracked. You know what I mean? You'll get it during the week instead of having it like 2 weeks later. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Like, what is you doing? Like, be a part of the glam squad. We're glamorous over here. It's fun. Subscribe.